Let us consider one more interesting question related to electrophilic substitution reaction, SE reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Especially in aromatic ring, bromination, alkylation, acylation, various other examples, sulfonation, all come under nitration, all come under what we call as electrophilic substitution reaction. Br plus attacks, NO2 plus attacks, and hydrogen in the form of H plus leaves, electrophilic substitution reaction. Which of the following is most reactive for electrophilic substitution reaction? Means some electrophile is going to attack these reagents, and in which case the reactivity will be good. Suppose that the electrophile is Br plus, it can be NO2 plus, it can be any, let it be Br plus, means reaction of bromine in presence of anhydrous ClBr3. The mechanism of that is a separate thing, and Br plus attacks, and the hydrogen atom attached to carbon will get relieved in the form of H plus ions. In which of the following cases this attack of electrophile, for example, let it be Br plus, which we get between the reaction bromine in presence of anhydrous ClBr3. This is phenol, OH group directly attached to aromatic carbon is phenol. This OH group is attached to aliphatic carbon, and aliphatic carbon is directly attached to aromatic carbon. So, this is alcohol. Although there is aromatic ring, therefore, we can call this as aromatic alcohol, but this is not phenol. OH group is directly attached to aliphatic carbon. Aliphatic carbon is directly attached to aromatic carbon. Okay. This way, functional group point of view, this is ether, methoxy group, amide. Okay. Now, here in this case, plus I effect of methyl and because of presence of two lone pairs, plus R effect, isn't it? Now, plus R effect, minus R effect, we have studied in our earlier lectures. So, you can again go back and revise that. I will not show in details. Up till now, you should be knowing this. The electron pair goes here, then the pi electron pair gets shifted, and all the resonating forms. Means because of plus R effect, the electron density in the ring increases, and if electron density because of positive resonance effect, if the electron density in the ring increases, that will develop favorable conducive atmosphere for SE reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions. That much we should be knowing at this stage, and if that much the theory related to this, whatever I have told you, if it is not known or if it is not perfect, then we will not be in a position to solve such type of questions. That is why thorough study of theoretical part is very important. The motive of various multiple choice type of questions is that we should study the theory in details. That is the motive. We should leave the theory and directly go for MCQs is not the aim, it cannot be. So, that I have explained in short. The theory for that you can go through the earlier lectures. So, plus R effect of phenolic OH group, the lone pair and the pi bond, similar thing. Because of that, electrophilic substitution reaction at orthopara. So, OH group, as we have studied earlier, this OH group because of plus R effect is activating and orthopara directing, The same is applicable here also. Plus I effect of methyl group, that is common to both, and two lone pairs are present. and the lone pair forms a shared pair and the alternate double single bonds, and all the similar lone pair when it forms a shared pair forms a lone pair, and all the various resonating forms, you go back to plus R and minus R effect theory, my earlier lectures. Same is plus R effect. So, plus R effect of methoxy group will increase the electron density in the ring, and therefore, this is also because of this plus I effect is there, because of resonance is powerful effect. If resonance effect is present, we need not consider inductive effect. Inductive effect, that effect as compared to resonance effect is, we can say, least effective. So, because of plus R effect, again it is this compound is activating and ortho-para-directing. But if we compare these two, because of presence of methyl group bulky nature, activating and ortho-para-directing of this as compared to this, the difference is not large, but OH group and the various resonating forms plus R effect of OH group is stronger than plus R effect of this. So, I will give number 1 to this for electrophilic substitution reaction, activating, ortho-para-directing, both almost same, but little bit the activity will be more in this case because of the methyl group, the plus R effect will have some hindrance. So, these both are actually both develop because of plus R effect, and in addition to that plus I effect of methyl groups, both develop favorable condition for SE reactions. What about this? Here the plus I effect, that is common thing. Now, it is common in all the 4 options actually, here also plus I effect. And this group, this is methylene group, CH2 group, this is alcoholic OH group, not directly attached to aromatic carbon. So, this is not going to develop a resonance effect, only inductive effect. And as compared to resonance effect, if resonance effect plus R effect especially is seen in these 2 cases, then as compared to these 2, the electrophilic substitution here will be less, means reactivity order, these 2 will have more order, more reactivity. Among these 2, this one will have high reactivity. So, reactivity order point of view, this one will have number 1, this I should give number 2, this I will give 3, because only inductive effect and no positive resonance effect which increases the electron density, and this one I will give 4th. Although the question which is asked, the answer is this, but still, why? Because there is a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, and like the lone pair of electrons on oxygen forms a shared pair and the electron density in the ring increases, the various resonating forms plus R effect, example of aniline, example of phenol we have considered earlier. That type of pattern plus R effect is not possible with this lone pair on nitrogen, because to this nitrogen on adjacent in its neighborhood is present carbonyl group. Carbonyl group has electron withdrawing effect. So, the availability of lone pair is difficult. Carbonyl group has electron withdrawing effect, that is simple reason. And one more, there is a resonance among these 2. The lone pair becomes a shared pair and pi bond becomes a lone pair. So, the lone pair is decentralized over 3 nuclei. So, lone pair is part of these 3, this part. So, because of electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl group, the lone pair is not easily available for such type of plus R effect. And also the NH group and carbonyl group, the resonance lone pair, here it becomes shared pair and the pi goes. This also earlier we have considered the resonance during our resonance theory. So, if we consider both the factors, it becomes clear that plus R effect is not possible here. Although we see a lone pair of electrons, it will not develop plus R effect like what we have seen or we observe in these two cases. And therefore, the answer for the question highest reactivity is this, but still if we consider all the options, the number 1 highest reactivity will be for this, number 2 will be for this, third one will be for this, and last will be for this.